Welcome guys, a very good morning. Today I am going to make a delicious cabbage recipe. Cabbage का चखना बनाने वाले हैं. So the ingredients are cabbage, one small cabbage, one small aloo, potato, one tomato finely chopped, one medium size onion finely chopped, 2 green chili slit and little amount of coriander finely chopped. So मम्मा थोड़ा बीमार है इसलिए मुझे जल्दी बनाना पड़ रहा है, इसलिए मैंने कुछ भी सीधे से नहीं रखा है. So I am showing you directly. Just kept my cooker for heat. Now I'll add 4 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll add my onion. Green chili, coriander. Certain masala we require. Salt as per your taste. Ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, a pinch of haldi, and 1/2 teaspoon of chicken masala powder. So haldi, dhania, mirchi kata, chicken powder, अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट और नमक स्वाद अनुसार. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now we'll add our ginger garlic paste and saute it for 1 minute. Now I'll add my tomatoes. Saute it. So now I'll add all my masalas and saute it for 1 minute. You can see our masala is ready. Now I'll add my cabbage and potato. So mix it well. Now you can see I mixed the masala very nicely, and I'll leave it for 2 minutes. Let the cabbage absorb the salt. Then I'll keep it for 2 whistles. Then our recipe is ready. I'm preparing tea for my mom. Now till then, until it's cooked, I'll give the tea. I serve the tea for my mom and I'll return it. Now in this stage, I'll add little amount of water, like half, and we'll close and keep for 2 whistles. And check for seasoning also. If you want more, if you require more salt, you can add more. Guys, our recipe is ready. Serve it hot with roti. I have garnished my recipe with little amount of coriander, my chakna, you can see. It will be so yummy, it will be so delicious. Do try. If you like my recipe, do subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Share with your family and friends.